Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Dr. Elo. Well, we help businesses and individuals get more comfortable with live streaming. So we have the Zoom PodTrak P4, which is what I call the Rodecaster Pro Mini, which you can take anywhere with you because it has batteries, and it's a great piece of equipment to pair out with your XLR mic, and you can travel with it pretty lightly. So let's get started. All right, and here we go with the Zoom PodTrak P4. This is the ultimate recorder for podcasters. It has 4 mic input, 4 headphone output, auto mix minus, and built-in sound pass. This is the box. It has some information in the back of the box as well. And let's go ahead and start opening. All right, here it is. We got first. We have the included items in there. It has information on the P4, the quick guide, and 2 AA batteries, which is you function when you're not near a computer, right? There's the quick guide, another language, Spanish, and other languages as well. All right, we have the 2 AA batteries right here, and here's the package with the keypad. All right, open right here, and here's the Zoom PodTrak 4. Alright, put this to the side and check if there's anything else in the box. And that is it. Right, this to the side and concentrate on the PodTrak. Alright, right here. Battery. Alright, go here to the back part of it. Battery right here, right here. And boom. As you can see, it has the power button over here. It has the BTA2. So here has a TRRS enabled cable. Not enabled cable, but an adapter, so you can put that cable in there. If you use both of them, it has a Bluetooth enabled device that is around $50. It is made by Zoom, and you can connect your cell phone through Bluetooth. Right here in the interface, as you can see, and right here in the product, as you can see, it has 4 mute buttons, and then you can put 4 mics, or you can put 2 mics, cell phone, and another USB device, and probably you can put another cell phone in there as well. It has phantom power. You can put it to the right. All four of them have phantom power. These 4 buttons, the A, B, C, D, you can put any type of sounds in there. The only thing you gotta make sure is that those sounds are the same level, because they only have one dial to put to increase or decrease the volume. This one's right here, they're for individual. This one controls all this for all of them sounds. You got a menu, so you can go into the menu, play, stop, and enter or record. Right here, you got 4 headphone jacks, so you can put individual headphones for each of your podcasters, maximum of 4. And this side is where we have the XLR inputs, which are controlled by these dials right here, 4 of them. And here you got to put your card, memory card. I've already bought one, so let me put that in there. I bought 121 gigabyte SanDisk, so I'm going to use that one right now and put it in here. Make sure it's not locked, so actually sound it's in there. And you got 2 USB inputs. One can be used for cell phone or for your computer as an interface. The other one's for directly for power. So the DC 5 volt is the one that's for power. And all right, let's jump right into the other part of this video. All right, everybody, thank you very much for watching this video. You have any questions or concerns, please put them down in the description. And as always, this is Dr. Elo out.